Business Bites, powered by Sagicor.
Hello, I'm Cody and Barrett with your business updates for today. If you've been wondering why fuel prices haven't jumped as much as global oil prices, Petrojam says it's because the refinery has been absorbing some of the increases. Petrojam chairman Metri Siaga says the state-owned refinery has spent about $18 million subsidizing fuel cost to shield consumers from steeper price hikes. So how does it work?
At Petrojam, we probably don't do a good enough job in explaining how the pricing method is done. And the rationale there is that it's very difficult to understand.
Yet he did simplify, explaining that each week Petrojam starts with the international benchmark price for fuel in the United States Gulf Coast. It then adds other costs, including shipping and local operating expenses, to determine what fuel should cost in Jamaica. But instead of passing a fuel increase on to motorists when global prices spike, Petrojam uses what's called a price smoothing mechanism. That system limits how much fuel prices can increase in a given week, with the refinery absorbing the difference. According to Siaga, the weekly increase was once capped at $4.50 per litre, but Cabinet recently raised that limit to $12.50 per litre as international oil prices climbed.
We recognized when the war started that prices were going up in some instances up to $40 per litre, and Petrojam was feeling significant impact from that cost. To date, Petrojam has spent about $18 million subsidizing the cost of fuel. We had to go to Cabinet, we had to ask for permission to increase it from $4. Cabinet gave us a cap of $12.50 that we can increase by. So the increase that the consumers saw last week of $12.50 is not a real number. The real number is significantly higher than that, but Petrojam is taking up any losses that incur.
The hope is that when prices come back down, Petrojam will be able to reduce the price by less than what it's coming down by to catch up with that difference. As for how Petrojam intends to make back what they have spent so far,
Petrojam is doing everything that it can, and the government, by extension, has to give us back that money, because the money has to come from somewhere.
the latest JCC GK Capital consumer indices found that more than half of respondents have cut their electricity use, while many are using fewer appliances or switching to more energy-efficient ones. More than half also want the government to lower electricity rates, while others are calling for more stable fuel prices and greater support for renewable energy. However, Siaga said adequate financing support for solar systems already exists and urged more households to take advantage of it.
There's no good reason for households, let's start with households, to be paying high electricity bills when solar systems are available and financing is available for them. The payback period has come down significantly, and majority of the people that I know are telling me about their light bills being $12 and $15. So there's no good reason that people should not be putting solar in their homes.
And that's it for the Business Bites today. I'm Cody and Barrett. Thanks for watching.